this tofu. And I can't wait to show you guys what I'm going to do with it. So 4 of these containers I'm going to freeze. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to do to prepare this tofu, so usually these containers have a lot of water. I'm going to drain all the water out, and I'm going to place my tofu in a bag, like this. I have a bag here. You can use a Ziploc bag. I'm gonna put it into here. So I took it out of the container, drained them, and I placed them all in this bag, and now I'm gonna put it into the freezer and freeze it. Here are my frozen tofu. I'm going to leave it here just to thaw off, and then I'll show you what I'll do next. So my tofu here, and if I just take one and squeeze the water out, this is what it kind of looks like sponge. See? So it's perfect. So I'm going to squeeze all out, and I'm just going to put it into this bowl. Alright guys, so once you remove all the water from all your tofu blocks, you can start preparing your marinades. Now I am just adding all my favorite spices to this marinade. Basically I started off with olive oil, and then I added, just to name a few, 5-spice powder. I love 5-spice in tofu. I think it adds a really nice flavor to it. I also added cinnamon, paprika, lemongrass, oregano, pepper flakes, fresh garlic, and you know, you can just add your favorite ones. I also added black pepper, you know, so whatever your favorite combination of spices are, you feel free to add it to this marinade. I am also adding the juice of 2 large lemon, and yeah, give it a mix. Make sure all these ingredients are well blended. Add a little bit of salt to taste, and some sugar for some extra sweetness. You need sugar in this dish. It makes it taste so nice. You can even replace sugar for honey. So add your marinade to your tofu. Don't forget to cut your tofu into little cubes, because remember, we're going to make kebabs. So it's going to be really easy to place onto that skewer. So before you start sliding your tofu cubes onto your skewer, make sure that your skewer was soaked in water before. This will prevent it from burning if you're going to grill once you're cooking it, right? So I have all my skewers ready, and it's ready to go into that pan. So I just added a little bit of olive oil to my pan, and I cooked my tofu on each side for around maybe 2 to 3 minutes until it's really nice and crisp, and you're good to go. And this is so delicious. You can also make a nice barbecue sauce to go with it. I paired mine with some delicious stuffed squash, quinoa salad, and freshly made hummus. This was just the perfect combination, and the girls came together and they decorated this table so beautifully. This was at a retreat in Mayaro. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Bye!